Today I'm going to teach you how to use ClickUp for software development. If you're managing a development team or working on coding projects, ClickUp offers a powerful template that can streamline your entire workflow. From sprint planning to bug tracking, let's walk through setting this up step by step. First, open your browser and navigate to clickup.com. Once you're on the homepage, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you're signed into the workspace where you want to set up your software development project, as this will determine where all your tasks and boards are organized. After logging in, you'll land on your main panel. Here, look for the option labeled Spaces and click on it. Spaces in ClickUp are like containers that help you organize different areas of your work. From the list that appears, select the specific space where you want to house your software development setup. This could be a dedicated tech space or a general projects area, depending on how your workspace is structured. Now locate the plus icon next to that space. Clicking this icon will open up a menu with several options for creating new content within your space. From that menu, select Templates. This is where ClickUp really shines, offering pre-built frameworks for all kinds of workflows, saving you hours of manual setup. In the template library, use the search bar to type in software development, then click on the template when it appears in the results. You'll be taken to a preview page where you can see everything this template includes. Take a moment to review what's bundled in. The template comes with 4 status groups to track your tasks through different stages, 4 custom fields to add specific data like priority or sprint number, 2 tags for quick categorization, 4 view types so you can visualize your work in different ways, and 1 automation to help streamline repetitive actions. These elements are designed to give you a complete software development management system right out of the box. Once you've reviewed the details, click Use Template. A dialog box will pop up asking you to input a folder name for this template. Go ahead and type something clear and descriptive like software development. This name will help you quickly identify this project area later, especially if you're managing multiple initiatives. After entering the folder name, click Use Template again to confirm and finalize the setup. ClickUp will now generate the entire structure for you, complete with all the statuses, fields, views, and automations included in the template. This process might take a few moments, so be patient while everything gets set up in the background. And there you have it, you now have a fully functional software development workspace in ClickUp. The template comes with a built-in guide, so feel free to explore and read through it carefully. This guide will show you how to maximize the template's features, from managing sprints and tracking bugs to assigning tasks and monitoring progress. Taking the time to understand these features will help you get the most out of your new setup. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.